So today we're at Nurragingy Reserve. Had to pick up a drone in the area, so since I haven't been here for a while, I thought I'd stop by. Here's a fact about me: the first ever wedding I shot was actually at this reserve. So yeah, there's something for you. Just gonna go around, have a look, see, and maybe put up the drone that I just picked up and see what I can get. Let's go! Nurragingy Reserve. Definitely a family-friendly spot, plenty of barbecue places, definitely worth packing a picnic, as well as numerous playgrounds and even a water park. Definitely worth checking out if you have a weekend free and you're looking for something to do. Best part about this, it doesn't cost a cent. So come check it out and let me know what you think. So the whole reason I'm out here today is I went to pick up this, the Parrot Anafi. So as far as drones go, it's quite compact, slightly larger than a Mavic Mini, and slightly heavier. Image quality, from what I've seen on my phone screen so far, it looks better, but I won't be able to tell until I get back into the editing suite. You, however, will have seen it already, so let me know what you think. Either way, I hope you enjoyed this walk of Nurragingy Reserve, and this is a blacksmith, a place that used to create stuff, and now I'm creating stuff in front of it. So that's some sort of conception, right? Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time.